Forget about trading, forget about crypto, and do this instead. Now, I've spent 5 years on the internet towards making money online, and I've watched a lot of videos, I've paid a lot of courses, I've followed a lot of gurus on the internet, and I have not made so much money in my 3 years. And I can tell you for a fact that you focus on the wrong things, and that is why you're not getting any results and you're not growing at all. And if you only listen to my advice, this short advice I'm going to give you, then it will change everything for you. I've come to realize that this internet space, a lot of gurus that you watch just come online to make videos that you consume, and they put you in a loop so that they keep on getting views, and then they keep on making money by the watch hours they are getting, and you keep on being in a loop and you're not growing, you're not making any money from the internet because they are teaching you useless things that will just keep you on a loop and not give you substantial wealth. Now, who am I and why should you listen to me? Now, my name is Victor and I am a digital marketer. So I market online. I understand the online space. I have to understand the online space to be able to market online. Now I say don't do crypto, don't do trading, then what should you do? Now focus on building something. You see, on this internet space, YouTubers just like me and the other YouTubers you watch are building a channel, building a community, they are building a followership, and they are building a brand. And what are you doing? You are just watching them and you're helping them build what they want to build, and you are not doing anything. Now they tell you to go and do crypto, they tell you to go and do trading and stuff and all of these things. They say they are going to give you signals and stuff and all of these things. Now I'm not telling you that these things are not good. I'm just telling you that if you are not building something on this internet space, then you're on the wrong lane and it's just a matter of time. Then there's a lot of things that will shake you. So the big question is, how do you build? What do you build? One is build an attention vehicle. What do I mean by attention vehicle? An attention vehicle is a platform where people come to get something. You draw attention, just like you watching this video now. It's an attention vehicle. This YouTube is an attention vehicle. One, build YouTube channel. Now you might say, I don't believe in building YouTube channel, I don't like it, and I'm shy to show my face on camera and stuff like that. No problem. Now we are living in an AI world, so you can learn how to make videos with AI and just post it. Just learn. If you want to get a result, then you have to be willing to learn, right? Good. So go learn how to do it. It's as simple as that. Go to ChatGPT and learn, how do I start a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel? You can actually start a faceless YouTube channel. Now let's say you've decided to learn how to make faceless YouTube channel. How do you then monetize it? Victor, how do I monetize my faceless YouTube channel? Fast, right? Now this is how you do it. When you start making videos, don't think of monetization in the first 50 videos. Yes, try as much as possible to make 50 videos. It's possible. Make 50 videos. For the first 50 videos, don't monetize, don't think about monetization. When you have built the culture in making video, the next thing you have to do is to now start to put affiliate links. What do I mean by affiliate links? Depending on the topic you picked to be making videos, YouTube videos for. Let's say for instance you're talking about relationships, so girl and boy and stuff. So go to Google and then type in Google, please list me, or just list me affiliate platforms that I can affiliate for relationship niche. Just type it anyhow. List me relationship niche platform that I can affiliate for. So you just browse and then find the companies that you can affiliate for. But one other simple thing that you can do, you can come to G4G, just check under the description of this video. You can just chat me on WhatsApp, and I am going to make you an affiliate for a YouTube affiliate course. So you can look for affiliate programs in that your particular niche, that your particular topic that you're discussing about, and then just register on the affiliate platforms and then affiliate for them and then make your commission. It's as simple as that. Now the second thing you can do is to start a blog. Get a website and start a blog. Blogs is writing articles about a particular product, about a particular niche. So you can start writing blogs, and I've made videos on how you can simply write blogs by just taking YouTube. Literally, you can take my own, I'm giving you permission, you can take my own YouTube channel transcript and transcribe it to a blog. I'm going to leave the link to how to make that video under the description of this video, so you can just go watch it. You watch how you can copy a YouTube channel transcript, that is all the words I've explained in this YouTube channel, copy it and then turn it into a blog, and then you can now put affiliate links inside that blog. That's something you can also do again. This is you building things. This is not you trading and risking your money and not building anything. Now, the next simplest thing to do is to start affiliate marketing. Now, I told you about how you can start affiliate marketing with blogging, with YouTube, but this time around you can literally start digital marketing in affiliate marketing. Let me put it this way: start affiliate marketing, but start digital marketing in affiliate marketing. So you don't necessarily need a YouTube channel to do this. You don't necessarily need a blog to do this. You can actually do this on WhatsApp. Now, the beautiful thing of this is that I have a complete school where I teach my students how to start affiliate marketing using their WhatsApp, or at least maybe TikTok, but using their WhatsApp generally with the little people they have. And all of my students are already started making sales. If that is something that you're interested in, so you can enroll in the G4G affiliate marketing school. You're going to get access to my own personal website, so you learn the psychology behind sales, not just selling anyhow, because I hate to waste people's time. I wasted a lot of my time, and one of the things that annoys me is wasting my time and wasting another person's time. When you come to me, I teach you the things that you're to focus on and leave all the nonsense that will not yield anything. If that is something you're interested in, then check on the description of the video. You see join the G4G affiliate marketing course, and then you can join it. Just go learn further and then join. That is if you're interested in it. If you're not interested in it, fine, you can pick any of these other skills and business models that I have mentioned in this video. If you're getting value from this, subscribe to the channel and like the video and turn on the notification bell and share with your friends and family, for people that might need this. But this is the last thing that you can do to build up something on the internet, is to make a website. Now, you can either make a website and sell it, or make a website and grow the websites. Now, there's a lot of websites that you can make and grow, and one of the websites is my own personal kind of website, which is VTU website. This is a website where people can come inside and buy data, buy subscription for themselves, and buy other things in the website. So you are going to make commissions from that. This is my own company website, and I'm just telling you what you can do. You can build upon something, build something, and stop trading, and stop wasting money, and stop listening to people without doing anything on the internet, because it's the wrong way to build wealth on the internet, especially on the internet space. The only thing that can stop you from succeeding in life is you. There's nothing that can stop you from succeeding in life but you. Take the right actions, keep on pushing, and try as much as possible to stop listening to nonsense. Please try as much as possible to stop listening to nonsense. If you don't want to be listening to nonsense, then subscribe to my channel. I promise you, I'm not going to be dropping nonsense for you in this channel. I'm going to be dropping things that is useful for you, because one of the things I hate is wasting my time and wasting another person's time and wasting your time. I hate wasting people's time, and I hate it when people waste my time. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to tell you, to the best of my abilities, I'm going to try as much as possible to make videos and give you information that will help you. So see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.